We have Porter taxiing to the north side for takeoff today. We have Porter heading to camera's acting up right now. We have Porter 518 heading to Ottawa. Okay. The E195. But we should have arrivals and departures at 10 right for arrivals and takeoffs, because the winds are pushing in that direction. They're pushing. Where's the wind sock? Over here. Where is the wind sock? After this, I'll go to the next. Look at that! We have a gorgeous sunset. We have clouds passing. Sunset. Stealing the spotlight from Porter. Sunset show! What can I say? We have a sunset. Did I say sunset? I think I said sunset. It's sunset. Alright? You guys might be thinking I said sun, but you know what I'm talking about. I didn't say I said sunset on accident. I meant sunset. Alright. Come on, everybody. Come on. Don't freak out on the house right now. Come on. We have next route coming in. JetBlue Airways. Flight number 578 coming in from San Francisco. A 4-hour, 44-minute flight. And first delivery. See you in the next part.